Hey everyone, welcome back to another video in the GIS series. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a point, line and polygon to a map in QGIS. Super simple stuff, and honestly, once you get this, you are already halfway to looking like a GIS guru. So the first thing I'm doing here is adding a road. Go straight to layer, create layer, new shapefile layer. I'm giving the layer a name, choosing where to save it, and for the geometry type I'm picking line stream because roads are basically long spaghetti lines. I'm also adding a new field called name so I can label the road later. Once that's done, hit OK and then click on the toggle editing button. Choose add line feature and now start tracing the road on the map. When done drawing, right click, a little pop-up comes and type in the details of the road. Turn off toggle editing and save your changes. Next, I'll be doing the same exact steps but for a point, this time to mark a hospital. So again, new shapefile, name it, select point as the geometry and add the name field.
You know who made it.
Toggle editing, add point. I click where the hospital should be, right click, enter the info and save. Simple. Just drop the dot and keep moving. And finally, I'm creating a boundary using a polygon layer. Same beginning, new shapefile, geometry is polygon, name field, toggle editing. Then start clicking around the area to draw the shape.
You know who made it.
When I close this off with the right click, QGIS asks for the details, fill them in, and then save the edits again. Once done with that, rearrange your layers by holding and pulling the boundary layer below all other layers. Now let's do some basic styling. Right click on the road layer, select properties, go to symbology, select a simple topo main road, click apply and say OK. Do the same for hospital, right click, go to properties, select a hospital icon, click apply and say OK. You can also add labels to the hospital layer. Right click, go back to properties, click on labels, select single labels, under value, select the name and click OK. The map is looking great already. Do the same thing for the road. Right click, go to labels, select single labels, select the value. The value should be the name. Select apply and click OK. And that's it. A road, a hospital, and a boundary polygon, all created from scratch. Super easy once you follow the steps. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe and share it with someone learning GIS.